this amazing webinar. I feel blessed that I was informed about this session. It was great learning from you about the power of subconscious mind and the universe. The way you explained those complex topics in such an easy yet interesting manner with relatable examples was amazing. The practical.
Then I read out all the lines which Sir has taught us. It's given me a positive impression. Literally, it's like he's an angel in my life. Earlier, I used to think negative thoughts, negative situations was arising in my life. But after reading out their points daily in the morning, my life has changed. I used to think positive. All things, all the daily routine are going a positive way.
And especially in that session of forgiveness, there are some relationships which we ignore. They are a part of our family, but we ignore. And after attending this workshop, I think the first thing I will do, I will give a call.
Thank you.
It has transformed me. I will surely bring a change in myself. Secondly, the way we deal our own kids. बेटा ये भी नहीं करता है तो गेम्स में भी अच्छा नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं करेगा. We never realize what impact these words will have. And ultimately, I think I can call it the best day of my life. Thank you very much, sir. We will.
ਜਦੋਂ ਸੈਮੀਨਾਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਕਿ ਸੈਮੀਨਾਰ 4 ਘੰਟੇ ਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਆਮ ਜਿਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਸੋਚੇਗਾ ਕਿ 4 ਘੰਟੇ ਬੈਠਣਾ ਸੌਖੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਲੱਗਾ ਸੀ, ਪਰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਸੈਮੀਨਾਰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੱਲਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਨਿੱਕੇ ਸਵਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਵਾਬ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਏ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲਾ ਕਦ 4 ਘੰਟੇ ਬੀਤ ਗਏ. ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 15 ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਨਿੱਕਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਕੋਰਸ ਸੀ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਮੋੜਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ. ਹੁਣ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਨ ਬੈਠਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਰ ਖਿਆਲ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਟੈਲੀਵਿਜ਼ਨ, ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ. ਮੈਂ ਪੂਰੇ ਸ਼ਾਂਤ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਦਾ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਤੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਲਾ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਇਸ ਸੈਮੀਨਾਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ.
And I really feel that after the workshop I feel much better, confident, and I'm able to push myself to even more limits. And this was a very good workshop and I would highly recommend this to anybody and everybody, irrespective of the phase of life. For me it was about my career, my dreams, and for somebody else it might be something else, happiness, health, and trust me, it was fitting in on every place. I mean, I consider myself fit, but I was able to push myself to limits even in terms of fitness, stretching, physical exercises. So this workshop I feel fits in every phase of life, and that's something very special about it. And so I would always want to thank sir for this workshop because this actually showed me where I can improve, not just in terms of hard work but in terms of mind work. So thank you so much.
बेटे का डाउन सिंड्रोम डिटेक्ट हुआ था 8वें महीने और डॉक्टर ने मेरी वाइफ के सामने ही कहा था कि अब तो एबॉर्शन के लिए भी नहीं बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि मदर पे भी बहुत ज्यादा बुरा असर पड़ेगा. तो फिर मैंने उससे कुछ बात की, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के बारे में बताया, उसकी पावर के बारे में बताया, सर से बात करवाई एंड थैंकफुली बेबी इज हेल्दी. सब कुछ ठीक हो गया और हर तरीके से वो भी खुश है और बच्चा भी हेल्दी तरीके से ग्रो कर रहा है. सो दिस इज द पावर ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड.
थैंक यू. कि शुरुआत ही दिन की अच्छी हो जाती है. लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ऑल्सो वर्क्स. उसी तरह की सिचुएशंस बनती है. हैप्पीनेस, यू कैन फील द हैप्पीनेस ऑल अराउंड बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे. मतलब इट रियली हेल्प्स to overcome.
Okay, I think what I gathered is that in our everyday life there's a lot of negativity that goes on, and it also affects our mental health, and in return I think we are actually passing it down to our family, to our kids. So we first need to cleanse our thoughts. We need to basically inculcate more positivity. We need to love ourselves. We need to thank ourselves, and we need to start it on a very good note, on a very positive note, that I mean. And I think I just learned that I need to be able to sow seeds of positivity in him. And I think I started today, maybe. I'm going to tell him today is, beta, you can win over everything. There's nothing impossible for you. तुम जल्दी कर सकते हो, तुम टाइम मेंटेन कर सकते हो. मैं ये लाइन कभी उसके लिए यूज नहीं करूंगी कि बेटा तुमसे जल्दी क्यों नहीं होता.
Thank you very much.
And I have learned that the real power lies within you. If you yourself want to achieve something, if you work hard for that thing, if you determine your mind that you have to achieve it, then you will definitely. You definitely attract the things. You definitely you can see the path to achieve that thing. So the real power lies within you only. And the second question of sir was, what was the impact it gives to me? Just right now, sir said few minutes back that whatever fears or whatever things are holding you back, just train your mind that be confident, you can do this. And that's why right now I'm here. Basically, I'm having a stage fear, and because of your words, I'm here right now.
Well, prior to this session, there were certain thoughts about however the journey of 2 years will go, what will be the barriers, what will be the worries. So it certainly gives some more extra pressure in our curriculum, in our studies. So, but after this session, I can have a mindset of a positive mindset that leave behind all the worries and the barriers which I could face in the future, and just live up to your present, and this will only make our future.
Excellent. Thank you very much.